What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a very quick fix for your SanDisk MP3 player. If you have a SanDisk MP3 player, this is a ClipJam, and currently it's not turning on. Even if you press the power button or connect it to a charger, it's not turning on. Although it has like full battery right now. So it does like that for like a lot, and it doesn't power on even if you connect it to a charger. So I'll be showing you how to fix that issue in this video. So let me set up my devices and I'll walk you through how you can do that. So as you can see, this is my MP3 player, SanDisk ClipJam, and it's actually full power. It's not low power right now, but let me try to turn it on. I'm pressing the power button. It's not turning on. You can see I'm pressing it right now. It's not turning on again. So it does like that quite often. It gets turned off, and it doesn't get turned on like even on pressing the button, and even if I connect it to a charger, it won't even turn on in that case. So let me show you that too. So I'm gonna connect it to my charger, and you can see it doesn't get turned on. It is now connected. As you can see, the power is right now it's on, and it doesn't get turned on. So what you can do to actually solve this problem, it's actually really easy, really simple. What you need to do, just keep on pressing that power button and the back button together for some 10 seconds or something like that. I'm gonna show you right now. Just keep on pressing it together like that. And when you let go of the buttons, you see it turns on. You see it's actually charging also. This is how you can do it. So what you need to remember here is that you'll have to keep on pressing the power button and the back button together. It's actually turned on right now, you can see. You have to press on the power button and the back button together for some 10 seconds or something like that. And when it will not turn on its own, but you have to let go of the buttons, and it will turn on when you let go of the buttons. I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to keep receiving awesome videos like this every week. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.